In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Published Mission 2017 MCQ, that is if Ta1 and Ta2 are two topologies on X such that Ta1 subset Ta2, then solution, that is if Ta1 and Ta2 are two topologies defined on the non-empty set X such that Ta1 subset Ta2, then Ta1 is said to be coarser or weaker than Ta2 and Ta2 is said to be thinner or stranger than Ta1. So option C is correct, that is Ta1 is said to be coarser than Ta2. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.